Hello students, welcome to my class. I, Dr. Swati Pandya, welcomes you. My dear students, in last session we have discussed how the microbes they are useful in sewage treatment. And we have discussed that it occur in two steps, that is first primary treatment and then secondary treatment. The few steps they are followed in both. In primary treatment, filtration and sedimentation is done of sewage. Then in secondary treatment, firstly aeration tank, then settling tank in which the aerobic microbes they are growing and they are utilizing the organic matter. And lastly, the anaerobic sludge digester is used. So in this way, in last session we have completed with the microbes which are useful in sewage treatment plant. Now today, another use of microorganisms we will discuss. It is the related topic only, the microbes which are useful in production of biogas. So particularly this word biogas. What do you mean by biogas? It is a mixture of gases which contain predominantly methane, which is produced by microbial activity and which may be used as a fuel. So generally methane is almost 60% and carbon dioxide is almost 40%. So this gas is used as a fuel. This is the main thing. And generally the cow dung which is used here, it is available mostly in the villages, and even the cattle dung which is available in large quantity in rural areas where the cattle are used, they are for a variety of purposes. So biogas plants are more often built in rural areas, गांव में, मैं बात कर रही हूँ गांव में. Then the usefulness of biogas, फिर हम इसका प्रोडक्शन देखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम अगर बायोगैस प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं या ऐसा प्लांट हम डाल रहे हैं तो उसका यूजफुलनेस क्या है, क्यों हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं. So actually the biogas which is produced is used for cooking and lighting. We will discuss about it in detail. You must have learned that microbes which are produced during the types of gaseous and products during growth and metabolism, the type of gas which is produced depends upon the microbes and organic substrate which they utilize. For example, which is cited in the relation to fermentation of duff, earlier we have discussed, then cheese making and even the production of different beverages, the main gas which was produced is carbon dioxide. However, certain bacteria which grow anaerobically on cellulosic material, that is plant material, it produces large amount of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen gases. So this is one of the beneficial point. And these bacteria are collectively known as methanogens because they are useful in production of carbon dioxide and hydrogen along with methane. That's why they are known as methanogens. They are liberating methane. And one such common bacterium is Methanobacterium. I have highlighted here. It is the scientific name of one of the methanogen. So it is useful in production of biogas. Actually, these bacteria are commonly found in anaerobic sludge during sewage treatment also. इसीलिए मैंने आपको अभी रिवाइज करवाया था. Primary treatment and secondary treatment which we have already discussed in sewage treatment plant. और उसमें हमने देखा था जो लास्ट पार्ट था जहाँ पे anaerobic sludge digester का यूज किया था और जो anaerobic बैक्टीरिया थे वो एक्टिवेट हुए थे, तो उनमें ही methanogens they are one of them. So these bacteria are also present in the rumen. What is rumen? Rumen is actually the part of stomach in cattle, and a lot of cellulosic material which is present in the food of cattle is also present in their rumen. So in them, these bacteria help in the breakdown of cellulosic material and play very important role in nutrition of cattle. So this is one of the common point. Thus the excreta, which is also known as cow dung, is commonly known as gobar, and that's why this biogas is also known as gobar gas, and it is rich in these bacteria. Dung can be used for generation of biogas, and here let us see how this plant that is made up of, or how the setup that is made up of. The biogas plant consists of a concrete tank. You can see here a concrete tank, it is shown. So this whole is a tank, इस पूरा ये पूरा tank बनाया जाता है, and it is 10 to 15 feet deep, in which the bio waste are collected and a slurry of dung is fed. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ऐसे खड्डा करके यहाँ पे डंक डाला जाता है, काउ डंक, उसके साथ साथ पानी भी मिक्स किया जाता है. सो हियर पर्टिकुलरली then a floating cover, it is placed over the slurry, which keeps on rising as the gas is produced in the tank due to microbial activity. ठीक है, इस तरह से पूरा सेटअप किया जाता है. The biogas plant has an outlet also, which is connected to a pipe to supply biogas to nearby houses. The spent slurry is removed through another outlet and may be used as fertilizer. क्योंकि साथ साथ में फिर वो भर जाएगा. ये डाइजेस्टर है और इसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे स्लज निकाला भी जाता है, यहाँ से अंदर इनपुट किया जाता है, फिर ये इसका लेवल अप डाउन होता रहता है जिस तरह की गैस प्रोडक्शन होती है, और गैस यहाँ से इस आउटलेट से बाहर निकलती है, और जो विद हेल्प ऑफ पाइप इट कैन बी यूज्ड. दिस इज गैस होल्डर, ठीक है, जिसमें मीथेन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जनरेट हो रही है वो बताया है. एंड हियर द स्लज दैट इज कलेक्टेड which can be used as fertilizer. तो एक्चुअली ये पूरा बेनिफिशियल सेटअप है. The cattle dung is available in large quantities in rural areas, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, और वहीं पे ये सेटअप बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं हम. एंड इसका यूजफुलनेस भी हमने देखा था कि बायोगैस इट इज विच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इज यूज फॉर कुकिंग एंड लाइटिंग. एंड दिस पिक्चर इट इज शोइंग द होल सेटअप. The technology of biogas production was actually developed in India mainly due to the efforts of Indian Agricultural Research Institute, which is known as IARI, okay, and another institute known as Khadi and Village Industries Commission. In short, it is also known as KVIC. So in this way, by their efforts, these setups can be made in villages or rural areas where the cow dung is available. If your school is situated in a village or a near village, it would be very interesting to inquire if there are any biogas plants nearby. Actually, we are in cities, but still, if we want, we can go there and we can at least observe such type of setups. Okay, so in this way, we are taking only today this topic, and we are ending our session here with the single topic. But as I've said to you earlier, you have to revise the previous things, because revision is the main method for key learning in this particular chapter, because all the names they are very confusing and daily revision is compulsory required. Keep learning, do your work in time. Till then, take care. Bye bye, students.